Hey y'all, so today's video is going to be a 2-strand twist video, and I'm going to be using the same products that I use in my wash and go video. We're going to be working with this again, and I'm going to make sure that my hair is really drenched this time so that, you know, maybe it'll come out better. Well, my hair will come out better. So, this is what I'm going to be using: the Creme of Nature Pure Honey Twisting Cream and my black castor and flaxseed oil eco styler gel and my cute little spray bottle. So yeah, I actually was supposed to do this video probably 2 months ago, but I honestly wrote it down and forgot. So we're doing it today because I need to do something to my hair. So I guess I'm gonna start. Where should I start? I'm gonna start in the front. Yeah, I'll be back. I need my hair ties. Okay, I got my hair ties, so I'm gonna do them kind of small so I can have more definition. I don't think this is enough hair. I'm gonna add a little bit more hair because I do want them to be, you know, full looking, not so thin. Let me see. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, this should definitely be enough. Now let's get started. What did I say? I told y'all if I use a lot of water and a lot of the what is this called? Twisted cream, it'll make my hair curly. I wish I would have known that when I did my wash and go video. So this might actually turn out good. And it's probably like 3:30 right now, so I'm doing them early in the day so that my hair will have enough time to dry. Y'all, I'm so mad now. Like, my wash and go would have came out really great if I would have had my hair drenched. Like, look at this. Look at my curls. Bomb. Like, I'm definitely gonna do another wash and go using these products because now I know what to do, because that looks really good. Alright, so I'm done with this side of my hair. This is how my twists look. Real juicy, real cute. So now I just have to do this side right here, and then I'll be done. So I'll be back when I'm almost done. Okay, so it is the next day and my hair is completely dry and they look so bomb. Like, I feel like my curls are about to be pretty. I hope it's not. It's probably gonna be real short. Like, I don't want it to be real short, but it probably will be. I love this part. Like, I've been doing this all day. So yeah, I'm just gonna take these out and we're gonna see how it looks. Oh, do y'all see that? Okay. Oh, this looks so pretty. Now just think about when my hair gets longer. It's gonna look really bomb. Okay, so this is how it looks. I haven't separated or used my comb and, like, you know, made it bigger. My curls look really cute though. I don't know how the back look. But yeah, so I'm definitely gonna have to separate this because who about to walk around looking like this? Not I. So I'm gonna try to separate them really neatly. I don't really care about frizz. Like, I like frizz. I love big hair. So yeah, but I'm gonna try to do it as neatly as possible. Y'all, I don't want to mess this up. Like, these curls are way too pretty to be messing up. Okay, so let me close the door. This is it. This is how it looks. My hair keeps shrinking up, so like I try to pull it down, you know, but it keeps shrinking back up, so I can't really do anything with it. But I will say that I love my curls. Like, my curls are really bomb, but this gotta go. Like, that just looks a mess to me. So I was thinking about like trying to put it up. This video is gonna be really long, so I'm not gonna do it on camera, but I will come back and show y'all and give my real review, because, you know, I have different thoughts about the Creme Nature product. So yeah, I will come back and talk about that. Okay, so this is how it looks. I really want my puff to be bigger, but it's just gonna keep shrinking back up. So this is how my bang looks. I didn't separate that much of the bang. So yeah, my curls came out really nice. But you know, this looks okay. It looks kind of cute. I like it. I liked it better than it being down, because when it was down it looked a mess. So yeah, and this is how the back looks. I just put a clip right there. Oh. I look good from the side. Okay. Let me try to fix this a little bit. Hold on. Okay. See, it's flat. It's flat looking. Like, I need you to stay up. Stop playing with me. Okay. So this is how it looks. I'm actually gonna do a video on this hairstyle, but not. I'll probably do something different to make it look better. But yeah, be on the lookout. So let me go ahead and give my real review. Okay, so in the first video, as y'all know, I said that I needed to use a lot of water and a lot of the twisting cream so that I can like really see it work. I actually did that in this video, and the twisting cream worked. Like, it was perfect. So I changed my mind. I love it, and I would definitely keep using it. And I might even, like, when I run out, I might even go to the store and buy some more. Like, that's how good it is. So yeah, just make sure, like, if you get this, make sure your hair is drenched or like just really soaked. Like, make sure your hair is really wet, and it should work. That was my mistake in the wash and go video. So this is my real review. Okay, this is about to make me mad. I'm about to put this on up. And it's gonna fall back down. Okay, I'll deal with that later. So yeah, that's my review on the Creme Nature product and the Eco Style Gel. They're both good. I love them 100%. Yeah, I guess that's all I have to say. And I just want to thank y'all for requesting this video, because I really love my curls. Like, I think I like these curls better than I like the Bantu knot curls. So today's question is gonna be, what's your favorite natural hairstyle to do? So my, like, Bantu knots, twist outs, flat twists. What else do you like to do? Wash and goes. What else? Braid outs. I'm trying to make sure I'm not leaving anything out. Y'all get what I'm talking about. So which natural hairstyle do y'all like to do? Before I knew about this, before I did this, my favorite was Bantu knots, but now I love 2-strand twists. So yeah, that's my favorite, 2-strand twists. So make sure you comment down below and answer the question. And yeah, bye y'all.